This is a 2023 MacBook Pro 14-inch A2779. Today we helped our customer upgrade SSD to 2 TB. First, check the original SSD capacity, which is only 512 GB, and test the read and write speed, up to 3,213 writes, 2,941 reads. First, remove the 8 fixing screws on the back cover. The internal motherboard is rectangular, and the layout is very neat. Disconnect the battery cable and the cables of each interface, and remove the motherboard fixing screws. This MacBook can also be expanded to 4 TB or 8 TB. However, it is necessary to supplement the vacancies around the SSD, capacitors, resistors, and power supply components. Remove the 512 grams particles on both sides and process the solder parts. Be careful with this step. The temperature is too high or too low. It is easy to damage the motherboard, eventually causing the MacBook to fail to boot. It is not recommended for non-professionals to try it. If you also need this service, you can also contact us. These are original SSD chips. There is a built-in encryption program, and each particle has a corresponding installation location. If the installation location is wrong, you cannot connect to the server and verify it. Ball mount the 4-grind TB SSDs to be installed in sequence. Everything is ready. Now start installing these for SSD chips to the corresponding positions on the motherboard. Be sure to ensure that the SSD pins correspond to the solder joints, otherwise it will be easy to short circuit during installation. Perform cosmetic treatment on the installed SSD to ensure the stability of operation. Start putting the motherboard back into the case and install the fixing screws and washers. Note that the screws here are of different lengths and cannot be installed in the wrong position. Now use another Mac to flash the Mac with upgraded hard drive online. The most familiar welcome interface has appeared. Make some simple activation settings. After several hours of hard work, I finally saw that the SSD capacity was displayed as 2 TB. Perform physical examination on the replaced 2 TB SSD. Write 5,920, read 5,365. A lot of improvement.